Hey guys, this is the more exciting part of my last video where I unboxed my recent PR package from PiX. Sorry, I'm excited. Anyways, this is the more exciting half because I'm actually going to try on the makeup. Basically, I did my base off camera, so I did my foundation, concealer, powdered, contour, blush, brows off camera. That's all I've done because there's like highlights and eyeshadows and lipsticks and stuff like that in the actual box, and that's the stuff that I'm going to be trying on. So for eyebrows, I just used the Primark eyebrow pencil in black brown or brown black, I don't know the shade. For foundation, I used the Milani Conceal Perfect. For concealer, I used the Enega Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. In the shade Pure Beige. For powder, I used the Beauty Bakery Flower Powder. For contour, I just used my Morphe palette, the 39A, and I use like the darker big shades in the middle. And for blush, I use my Sigma Corderosa blush. That's it. That's it. I haven't set my face yet or anything like that. Now let's just start opening the makeup. This is the package. This is what it looks like inside. Wow! That is amazing! Okay, I'm tired now. I'm just gonna get started, okay? So, the first thing I'm gonna try is this right here. And it's an eyeshadow palette, which was created by That's Hot here on YouTube. And this is what the palette looks like. It's beautiful. Let me just tell you something about the packaging of this, right? The glitter here, it's like, you can feel it. It feels so nice. All of their packaging, I'll show you guys, all of their packaging have like little details to it, which I very much appreciate. So this is the double tap palette. These are the shades. I love it. These are literally my favorite shades in one palette, which is exactly what she intended to do. I'm just going to go through the names of the shades. So this one is called February 4th. This one here is called Oh He Got Money. This one's called The Best Fam. This one's called Philippines. This one's called Fur Babies. This one's called Always Dancing. This one's called Lip Sync. And this is Coffee. Oh, Coffee, yeah. I'm just going to do something very simple, very, you know, neutral, because I want it to go with almost any lip colour that I put on, because I do have a variety of lip colours to choose from. So I'm just going to do something very, you know, like, but whoa at the same time. I'm going to take this shade here, and this is my BH Cosmetics something brush. It's from BH Cosmetics. It's just a big fluffy brush. I'm going to use this all over my crease. Ooh. I'm going to mix these two. I'm going to mix these two shades, and I'm going to put that right at the end. Guys, I am dying to use these shimmers. Oh my goodness. Look at this one. Oh my god, look at that. Look at it. I have a liquid like eyeshadow type situation that I want to use on my eyes. So I'm going to do that. It's these two. So these two by Mary Maquillage, and this stick. Oh, where are you going? And this stick thing right here. So it's an eyeshadow stick, and I'm going to put this on underneath, and on top of this I'm going to use, actually I don't think that's going to work. I'm gravitating more towards this. Look at that. You can just see how beautiful it looks. Oh, I thought it was red. It's not red. It's like a pinky berry coral yumminess. Oh my god! Okay, so this is the, oh my god, that is gorgeous. So it has like gold, it has silver, red, blues, greens, orange. I can literally see every single shade every single colour in here. Look at this shade. Look at this shade. If the formula in this is nice, then I already know this is going to be my new favourite lipstick. I know it. Right now, I'm going to be using this. Oh my god, I love it. Should I do like a cut crease with this? Yeah, why not? This is probably the quickest and the easiest cut crease ever. Like ever. Oh my god. And it dries down very quickly. Look, like this is already dried on my hand. You won't be partying and this still gonna be there. So the eyes are basically done. Hold on, let me show you guys. I'm just going to put some of this dark shade here on my bottom lash line and connect it to the top. Actually, I'm just going to get like a darker shade and I'm just going to put it here. I'm just going to quickly finish off my eyes off camera. I'm going to put on some eyelashes and I'm also going to put on some, like a nude eyeliner on the bottom. And I will be right back. I'm back. I have my lashes on. What did you guys think of the eyes? So now we're going to do highlights. So this is a highlighting palette and she created this with the intention that you can like mix and match any of them. Oh, if you guys are wondering, my eyelashes are from Primark. They're the Allure lashes. I think that's the style, then style Allure. They were like £2 and look how sexy they are. The nude eyeliner I'm wearing is also from Primark. Primark beauty come through. Look at this. Oh, wow. Look at that, you guys. The packaging of everything I just opened. Wow. Look, nah, you guys, please, look, look, look. Tea is more like golden, champagne-y gold. There's a tiniest bit deeper than Clutch. And Clutch is like a gold, it's like a gold. It's like a very icy cold. Gold. And Knit is like more bronzed for those with deeper skin tones. And this is just purple. I'm excited to try that. I'm gonna put that in my inner corner. Whoa. Okay, I've never really tried anything like this formula. It feels like cream, but it's powder. I'd usually set my face with a setting spray and then go over it with my highlighter, just because I don't know, it makes it look nicer. The highlight grabs onto the setting spray and it makes it a bit more blinding. But it also helps make it look less powdery so that it just kind of blends in with the rest of your makeup. A little trick for you. I'm just going to wait for my makeup to set a little bit because when you put it on once it's too wet, then it just slides and goes everywhere. So you have to kind of wait for it to be dry but not completely dry, and then that's when you put it on. I'm going to use this. This is the shade Tea. Oh my god, honestly I think I have a new highlighting palette. Like, I know products and I know if I'm gonna love something before I try it, just by the way it feels, because I'm very familiar with the formulas that I already like, and this feels like something I'm gonna love. Whoa, I think I put a bit too much on my brush. Whoa, do not underestimate this highlighter. Just because it feels all nice and soft and delicate doesn't mean it won't punch you in the face like this. Oh my god, I definitely put way too much on this side. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Whoa. I literally, you guys saw how... My face just looks like creamy and dewy and just wet. I love it. This looks stunning. I need to stop saying wow, but I can't because everything is just so wow. I love this palette. 10 out of 10. I didn't say anything else. Oh wait, this eyeshadow stick thing, I think it would work perfectly with the shimmers. I didn't get to try out these things here as well. These glowy powders. I think they're just highlighters, right? Let me go through them as well. Yeah, these are highlighters. This is the first shade. It's like a very bronzy, goldy. I think it has a slight like pinkish undertone as well. And this is in the shade, oh yeah, Wednesdays. And this looks more like purpley to me. It's more purple, lavender. Beautiful. Last but not least, I'm gonna be trying on the lipsticks. So we have two lipsticks. We have this, and they're all matte, so they're both matte. This is in the shade Coral Bang, which makes sense, and this is in the shade Posh Nude, which I think is exactly that. The names are so perfect. This is a Coral Bang, because when this hits you in the eye, it's like bang, right? If you see this, bang. And this is a Posh Nude. That's like, that's perfect. For this look, I would use this, right? But because the set came with this, I'm gonna try this, but I'm also gonna try this. And I have lip glosses as well. We have 3 lip shades, okay? One's a bit more champagne. It's got a little tint of pink in it, and this is the shade Parfum. Parfait. I think that's how you say it, parfait, right? And then this is in the shade Bonbon. Cute. This is like more blue, it's like more frosty, kind of has like a bit of purple in it, and this is called Sorbet. I love the shape of the wand. It's got like a very, like a pointy end, which makes it really easy to line your lips. Do you guys see how pigmented this is? Oh my god, it smells so good. It's so bold, but I love it. And the formula is so light and it dries down quickly, and it's not drying, like it's very comfortable, and I feel like I can talk, you know, I'm talking and it's fine, it's normal. I'm gonna actually try on a gloss on top of this. I just want to see what it will look like. I'm gonna try it on Bonbon. I want to see what the formula of the... Whoa! Oh my days, I love this shade. I love it. I'm like a kid right now. I'm literally a kid right now. And you know what's crazy? It's literally the exact same that's shown in the packaging. That's what I love. So you know what your shade looks like from what you see here. That is gorgeous. Look at that. This one's like more baby pink, and it's got specks of gold and silver in it. Ooh. It feels so good. It feels like a lip balm almost, but it's very glossy at the same time. And the colours aren't very vibrant. Like, it doesn't come out as bright as it looks on the tube. So don't be scared to try it. I'm going to take this off and I'm going to try on the other shade of the lipstick. But I'm going to keep that matte, because I think it will look really nice when it's just matte. Oh my god. I think it would have looked even better if you had like a dark brown lip liner on the edges, just to kind of ombre it out. But oh my god, I love it. I love this shade. This is definitely, I really knew this was going to be my favourite shade. The longer it sits on my lips, the more I love it. Oh my god, oh stop. I think that is all. That is all for this video. I tried to use as many products as I could while still trying to, you know, come up with a good look, and this is what I came up with, and I think it looks so beautiful. Very kind of like evening, you know, going out, maybe even wedding. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much to Pixie for sending me this. Okay, sorry. Thank you so much to Pixie for sending me this. I'm I am beyond grateful. I can't wait to keep trying these products. I'm definitely going to do more looks with these. Please let me know what you guys think of this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to turn your post notifications on so that you guys are notified when I upload. And do not forget to subscribe, of course, so that if I do get more packages from Pixie, you'll know. Hello, Pixie calling. Sorry. I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you so much. Thank you for watching and bye. What am I trying to say? 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 What's it called? What's it called? What's it called? Yo 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 yo. Yo 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 yo. Hey, I'm so beautiful. Okay, I'll stop. Okay.